Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're making lemony, buttery chicken francese. The ingredients we need for the egg batter are eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. For frying the cutlets are flour, olive oil, vegetable oil, and boneless chicken breast. For the francese sauce are unsalted butter, lemons, white wine, chicken stock, and pasta. The first thing we have to do is prepare some ingredients. We cut 2 lemons and thinly slice 4 chicken breasts. To make the egg batter in a bowl, we whisk together 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. To prepare the cutlets, we grab 1 plate and add 1 cup of flour. We get a chicken cutlet, dredge it in flour, and then dip it into the egg batter. We repeat this for all the chicken cutlets. To start frying, we get a pan and warm up 1/3 cup of olive oil and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We fry each cutlet until it's golden brown on both sides. To another pan, we add 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of white wine, and the juice from 2 lemons. Next, we add 4 cups of chicken stock, place the cutlets in the pan, and soak for 5 minutes. Lastly, we make the garnish and cook the pasta. For the garnish, we melt 6 tablespoons of butter and add our lemon slices. Now we assemble the dish. We serve the chicken over pasta, drizzle it with the francese sauce, and garnish with lemon slices. And that's how you make lemony, buttery chicken francese. We have 2 dogs here today, so we gotta make 2 small plates. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, baby. If you like this video, you can check out this one or this one. They're both really good.